Been wanting a laser measuring unit for a while. I looked around and I went with this one from RockSeed. Bought this one from the reviews, and it's a pretty nice unit. So we'll open it up here, take a look. Comes with the instructions and all different kinds of languages. It uses AAA batteries. I'm using some rechargeables. They go into the back there. You turn it on, and you're going to set your units here. I have it set to feet. You'll touch this once, and you'll get this red light. There's the little red laser, and then you touch it again, and you get your distance. So that's about 2.6 feet away from me. Got a battery indicator there. Pretty simple, straightforward. You can do some calculations, I think, with it, and you can store some numbers as well. But essentially, you can get it all leveled out with the levels there. It uses that laser, and once you figure out where you're measuring to, as you see, it starts to record. Hope this helps.